In the heart of a quiet neighborhood, where the sun greets the calm waters of a secluded pool, begins the journey of a girl with dreams as vast as the ocean. Today, we dive into the story of a pool girl whose passion for swimming transcends the boundaries of water. Meet Lily, a spirited young swimmer whose love for the pool began with a splash and grew into a boundless pursuit of grace, strength, and speed. For Lily, the pool is more than just water contained within four walls. It's a canvas where she paints her strokes, a stage where she performs with elegance, and a universe where she finds her true self. Swimming is an art and a discipline. Every stroke is a brushstroke, every lap a masterpiece in progress. Lily trains tirelessly, mastering the ballet beneath the surface, where every breath is timed and every movement is fluid. Behind every great swimmer is a mentor who sees their potential. Lily's coach, a former champion, guides her through the currents of challenge and competition, shaping her into not just a swimmer, but a warrior of the waters. Competition is fierce, but Lily swims with her heart, cutting through the water with the precision of a shark and the grace of a dolphin. Each race is a story of perseverance, of victories and lessons learned. But the journey of a pool girl is not just about medals and accolades. It's about the moments of silence, of introspection by the water's edge, where the echoes of her strokes remind her why she swims. Lily's love for swimming transcends her own aspirations. She becomes a beacon for others, sharing her passion, inspiring the next generation to dive into their dreams. From the quiet of the pool to the roar of the crowd, Lily's journey is a testament to the spirit of the pool girl. In the water, she found her challenge, her joy, and her triumph. And so, with every stroke she swims not just to the other side of the pool, but into the hearts of those who dare to dream. Thank you for diving into Lily's story with us. Remember, the pool is vast, and so are your dreams. Dive deep, swim hard, and let the water guide you to your own story of triumph.